friends, welcome to my channel. Imagine you have hundreds of sales data records in Excel. How can you quickly find sales of rupees 85,000, all laptop sales data, recent orders and duplicate salespeople? In this video, I will show you how to do all of this using conditional formatting. Today we will learn four important options: equal to, text that contains a date occurring, and duplicate values. So let us start with equal to. First let us find all sales where the sales amount is exactly rupees 85,000. So I am selecting the sales amount column, go to the home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to, I am entering 85,000 rupees, select the style whichever you want, click OK. You can see that Excel has highlighted all sales amount equal to rupees 85,000 rupees. So remember, equal to is used when you want to find an exact values. For example, you can use it to find a particular sales amount, quantity, price or target. Next is text that contains. Now let us find all sales for the laptop product. So select the column, go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains. Well, type here laptop. If you type here keyboard, it will highlight keyboard. So I want laptop, laptop. Select the style. Okay. Excel now highlights all the sales that containing laptop. This option is very useful when working with customer names, product names, regions, departments and other text data. You can also use this option on the payment status column also. For example, I want to know how many pendings are there. So select the column, go to conditional formatting, text that contain, we'll type here pending, apply the style which you want, click OK. This is how Excel highlights pending payments. After that, third option is date occurring. Now let us work with dates. Our sales reports contains order date, that is in date column. I select the date column, order date column, go to home tab, conditional formatting, date occurring. So here there are different options. You can see yesterday, that is 21st August, today 22nd August, tomorrow that data is not there, in the last 7 days, last week, this week there is no data, last month, this month and next month. If available, it will highlight. So I want to highlight this week with different style. I will choose, click OK. Excel automatically highlights the dates that meet the selected condition. Next is duplicate values. Now let us find duplicate salespeople. Select the column, conditional formatting, duplicate values, select the style, click OK. Now it highlights the salesperson names that appears more than once. For example, Rahul appears multiple times, Priya, Amit, Sneha. This is very useful when checking largest sales database or customers and employees list. Now let us quickly recap today's 4 rules. Equal to finds an exact value. Text that contains find specific text. Date occurring, highlight date according to selected date condition. Duplicate values and identifies repeated values. These simple conditional formatting options can save a lot of time when working with large Excel datasets. If you found this video useful, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching.